All right, now we're gonna do a different prism where volume is given. Remember, maybe the base area, maybe the surface area will be given to us. It doesn't matter what is given to us. You just start with the formula first. So, with this example on the board, I am looking at a polygon. I need to write down the prism volume formula first. Why volume? Because the volume is given to us. So I'm going to write down the volume formula first. All prisms, they have the same volume formula, which is capital B means base times height. And volume is given, so let's write that down. 960 equals base area. This is the base area. What is the base area? Let's calculate that. Polygon base area. I don't know. My memory is not good. All I know, you divide that by 2. That has the formula. So let's go check. And polygon right over here. LNA divided by 2. L stands for the side, and number of sides, in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6. A is the aperture from the midpoint. L and A divided by 2. Let's go ahead, write that down. N L A. Base area equals. N is the number of sides. We 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 sides here. Write that down. L is the side. That's the one we don't know. This is the one we don't know. This is the one, this is the one, this is the one. That is the one we don't know. That's what called as X. So we're gonna find out the length of the side. But instead of L, I'm gonna have whatever is given to me, which is X. Let's write that down. And remember, this is not multiplication, it's letter X. A is the upper term, which is here 4. So let me just do the organization here. We have 5 here, 4 there, and 2 here as a division. Let me just go ahead and organize that first. So let's go down a little bit. Base area equals my calculator. Between 5 and 4, it's a multiplication. There's an x as well, but we're going to keep it as x. 5 times 4 and division 2 underneath divided by 2. So all those 3 numbers that come out as 10. Let's write down 10 here. And let's not forget, we didn't do anything about x. Let's keep the x the way it is. So you can't go further than that. Base area is 10x. And that's what you need to write down here. Instead of b, you need to write down 10x. Let's go ahead and do that. 10x. And h is the height. Let's look at the figure. Height is this, that, which is 12. Let's go ahead and write that down. Now I want to organize the right side and put 10 and 12 together. 960 equals, what is 10 times 12? That will give you 120. We didn't do anything about x. Keep it there. And now leave x alone. 120, which it is doing the multiplication on the right side. So it's gonna go to the other side, the left side, as the division. Let's go ahead and do that. 960 divided by 120. That equals to x. Whatever calculation I get from here, That will be correct. So over here, 960 divided by 120. So let's find out what the missing side x is. 8. Thank you. Don't forget the unit. 8 what? 8 meter. Now I know everything about this polygon prism. This is no longer an x. It is number 8. So if the question asks me to calculate the volume is there, surface area, so I'm just gonna write down the formula and follow that because I now have all the dimensions I need in order to calculate the surface area. Let's practice.